Hey yo, what's up? Good morning. This is Dudong Kim and today pupunta tayo ng Cebu para sa kasal ng kaklase ko nung high school, and then after that magki-quick city tour lang din tayo and balik din tayo agad dito sa Saturday. Today is Thursday, June 18. It's already 2:58 AM. Ang flight natin is mamayang 4:50 AM. So baba tayo dito ng exactly mga 3:05 and then mag-book tayo ng Grab papuntang airport. Flight natin is Cebu Pacific, NAIA Terminal 3. So, ayun, quick weekend getaway lang din ulit. This is my third video so far. So, tara, baba na tayo. Dito tayo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3 and kakakuha lang natin ng ating boarding pass. Self-check-in lang naman sa Cebu Pacific. So, medyo mabilis lang naman siya. Ang haba ng pila sa mga international flights. I think medyo busy talaga yung airport na ngayon. Tara, pasok na tayo ng boarding gate. Ayun, nagtatawag na sila ng boarding. It's currently 4:20 ng flight is scheduled for 4:50. Pero hindi na talaga kaya, gutom na talaga ako. Kaya bumili muna ako dito sa Henlin ng Siopaw. Quick meal lang, tas board na tayo. Nasa loob na tayo ng plane and this is an Airbus A330. So, medyo malaki siya for a domestic flight. Ano siya? 333 seating configuration dito sa economy. Luckily, nasa window side tayo. So, makaka-video naman tayo with the outside view. We'll be landing sa Cebu at around 6:20 AM. See you, Cebu. Taga Cebu din ako.
Your devices. For added comfort, your seat is already set to a pre-inclined position.
We just landed dito sa Mactan Cebu International Airport na. It's 6:30 AM. We arrived on time and then commute lang tayo up to the hotel kasi yung hotel natin may connecting bus ride from here sa airport papunta dun sa exact hotel mismo. So, may bus yung sasakyan natin. First, may bus papuntang SM City Cebu and then second, may bus is papuntang Anju World, Minglanilla, Cebu. Ang hotel natin is Travel B Minglanilla. Nabook ko rin siya sa Klook. I-share ko na lang din yung link kung paano ito mabook kasi napaka-convenient niya since meron na ngang bus ride to and from the airport. Hello, welcome to our hotel. Room tour tayo. Ito yung main door. Ang nabuko po lang room is family hive, kaya may 3 beds dito. Tapos wala silang closet pero meron silang rack na may hanger. Ayun, towel and dental kit, toothbrush and toothpaste. Tapos ayan na siya. May TV, rack and working desk na mini. Meron din yung cabinet. So ayan na yung beds. May lamp. Gumagana ba? Check natin. Ayan, gumagana naman yung lamps. And yung telephone papunta dun sa receptionist. Ito naman yung CR nila. Meron silang may heater naman natin. May water heater naman. Ano ba ito? Shower gel, mirror, toilet bowl, at saka bidet. Very good may bidet. So that's it. So ayun yung hotel natin. Sa labas mismo ng hotel is yung Anjo World. It's an amusement park, I think similar sa Star City sa Pasay, pero this one is newer. Let's head na sa kasal ng kaklase ko. By the way, I asked permission from her din para i-include yung kasal nila sa video na to.
Nagpasalit ako karon kaninyo sa mga pagpangko na kapag kong kinasal, iha sa atong katilingman na Kristohanon. Kung kamo, Siyempre, kung Angeline, here is your bride. Ayaw na sabi. Pagpapalala.
And that's the one trophy of our couple.
Dito naman tayo sa kasal ng isa ko pang high school na tropa. Yo, what's up guys? Yo. Ay, dito tayo ngayon sa Waterfront Hotel and Casino para sa kasal ng kaklase ko ng high school. Nasa CR lang. And here's the squad. Si Lupe, Ernest, tsaka si Christian.
Who doesn't love a good staff?
At saka si Christian.
Sino ka?
Si Christian.
Ito yung groom. Hoy, groom. Ito yung hallway ng hotel. It's very good. So, sagot na yung accommodation namin dito. Yo, it's 9:30 a.m. Tas kakatapos natin mag-breakfast. By the way, this hotel serves free breakfast din, mga typical lang na silog-silog meals. And I had chorizo di Cebu, silog. The food is decent. Can't complain for a free breakfast. It's really enough. And now, it's our free day. Let's go to Cebu City. We have some puso making workshop. Tapos, let's explore scenic views around the city lang. So, yun yung itinerary natin today. Tara!
If you're planning naman for Cebu City tour lang, I highly suggest instead of commuting or book ng Grab, it is more efficient kung mag-rent pa kayo. If Cebu City tour lang naman yung gagawin niya and if mag-DIY kayo. So, yun yung ginawa natin. Nakita ko lang itong rent a car na kasi family friend ni ma'am. Family friend namin yung nagpaparent a car. First natin pupuntahan is yung workshop ng Puso.
And welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Can I ask, how did you find this workshop or paano niyo nalaman yung workshop?
Sa Cloak.
Sa Cloak? Just Cloak lang? Are you a Cloak content creator? Or no?
Aspiring.
Not yet. Trying. Let's go. Thank you so much. Pag Cloak content creator ka na, you can use your, diba, para promote the, yung code mo. Ayan. So, we offered this workshop just this year lang on Cloak. So we're here to learn about the how to make the puso. So I want you to open your box first, and then we will see what your kit. So inside each kit, there is one finished puso piece. Bring it around. Then tarnish proof na sad na ang atong mga kuan hardware, ma'am sir. Ayan.
It's 1:56 p.m. and andito tayo ngayon sa La Vie Parisienne. It's a French restaurant and super cozy niya. I love the vibe and the food is good. Marami din silang binebentang pastries at meron silang authentic na winery. So if you're into those kind of stuff, highly recommend this place. Expression lang. Sige, sa Puso Village tayo.
Ay. Ay. Ayan, yung kaklase ko nung high school. Mahiyain. Mahiyain. Mga camera shy. Puso Village. Ito yung ginawa natin dati. Ayan. Sa workshop. Pinakita ko na sa inyo yung finished product. Yun pa tayong pero bawal na mag-vlog dito. Bantang kayo.
Mamayang gabi na yung flight natin and thankfully ihahati daw tayo ni Lemuel. Siya pala yung kaklase kong ikinasal and his new wife is Geraldine. So bago tayo umalis, kain muna tayo dito sa highly recommended na Tuslubua place dito sa loob ng Puso Village. It's called Lois Tuslubua. Super mura niya. It's 200 pesos per kawali. Yun yung serving niya. Kahit ilang kayo dyan, basta 200 pesos lang yan. Plus, it comes with 10 puso. So, puso talaga yung binibenta nila dito. If gusto nyo magdagdag ng puso, if naubos nyo yung 10, you can just buy puso. I think it's 5 pesos per puso. Or 10 pesos, sorry. So, ingat-ingat lang kasi this is nakaka-high blood siya pero masarap. Kaya, ingat-ingat lang sa pagkain. Huwag nyo na lang araw-arawin. So, paminsan-minsan okay lang naman mag-cheat. Ng food ha. Just to be clear. Thank you everyone sa pagsama sa ating very quick Cebu tour. Hanggang sa susunod nating videos.